This is a brand from Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International. All of the units feature their MHT technology, which includes rifled tubing to enhance refrigerant flow and lanced fins for more surface contact between the coil and the air, which maximizes the heat transfer to maintain a compact unit at higher efficiencies. They use louvered panel construction, which provides superior protection of the condenser coil from hail and other mechanical damage. The units are only sold through authorized dealers in the USA, and their guarantee is not as good as other brands. They are field convertible between horizontal and down flow and have a drain pan float switch that shuts off the unit if the condensate drain gets clogged. This prevents damage to interior spaces from condensate dripping down from the roof. The units use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R-32. The heat exchangers use aluminized tubular construction, which resists corrosion and improves heat transfer, but they are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The PRPGE-14 basic units combine a single-stage 13.4 SEER-2 air conditioner with a single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace and have a single-speed constant torque blower motor. The PRPG-16 models are premium gas packs with two-stage cooling, two-stage gas valves, two-stage inducer motors and variable speed blower, while the PRPDF-16 models are ultimate dual-fuel units that combine a two-stage 15.2 SEER-2 heat pump with a single-stage gas heating system. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.